Welcome to Next Gen Drive, where tomorrow's rides are today's obsession. Picture this: a dramatic silhouette rising above the tarmac, a futuristic two-door coupe with the towering presence of an SUV. This is the Lamborghini Lanzador, a radical new direction for the raging bull. First revealed at Monterey Car Week in 2023, the Lanzador concept previews Lamborghini's first all-electric vision, staring us square in the eyes from the future of 2026. Visually, the Lanzador is impossible to ignore. It blends coupe aggression with crossover functionality, its 2+2 layout perched high on a raised stance, almost like an SUV that learned how to sprint. The lines are purest Lamborghini, sharp, angular, and unapologetically bold, with flowing curves borrowed from the Urus and Sean, reinterpreted for a new electric era. The 23-inch wheels look almost sculptural beside the wide arches and athletic body, promising presence and performance with every millimeter of contact. And while the lighting and front fascia hint at the brand's DNA, they also venture into fresh territory, high-tech, futuristic, with aero that subtly signals it's built to slice through air with purpose. Under that sleek skin beats over 1 megawatt of power, delivered by twin electric motors, one on each axle, for fully integrated all-wheel drive and staggering performance potential. Lamborghini officially confirms it exceeds a megawatt, meaning you're looking at well over 1,300 horsepower, with acceleration that defies everyday expectations. This power isn't just raw, it's intelligent. The Lanzador concept showcases active aerodynamics, front and rear flaps that manipulate airflow to maximize downforce in performance mode and conserve energy during urban driving. Its chassis features a steerable rear axle and adaptive air suspension, giving it the agility you'd expect from a supercar combined with SUV-level comfort and composure. Lamborghini's Dinamica Veicolo Integrata system lets drivers tweak behavior on the fly, customizing response to suit their mood or the road. Now, performance figures are still speculative, but we're talking blistering numbers. Some sources suggest 0 to 62 mph in under 3 seconds, and top speed approaching high three-figure territory, maybe around 186 miles per hour. Considering its power-packed drivetrain and sculpted aero, those are not just numbers, they're a promise. Plus, this is a Lamborghini that doesn't just go straight. It's built to deliver dynamic, emotionally charged handling. Inside, Lamborghini invites you into a cockpit styled like the cockpit of a next-generation fighter jet. Minimalist, digital, and immersive. The dash is low and sweeping. Embedded displays for driver and passenger are clean and intuitive. Materials. Think high luxury meets sustainability. Merino wool, regenerated carbon fiber, synthetics derived from recycled plastics, and even 3D printed foams for the seats. It's forward-thinking without sacrificing the sensual artistry of a Lamborghini interior, beautiful, bold, and aware of its footprint. Remember, the Lanzador is set to usher in Lamborghini's first production electric car, not until around 2028 or even 2029, but it's already a statement of intent. This Ultra GT positions itself between Urus and Huracan in both mind and body, functional like a crossover yet thrilling like a supercar. In sum, the Lamborghini Lanzador isn't just a concept, it's a manifesto. Its exterior merges coupe and crossover worlds with electric futurism. Its performance numbers are jaw-dropping but grounded in smart engineering and dynamic control. And its interior redefines luxury with sustainable elegance. If Lamborghini pulls this off, it might just rewrite the rulebook for what a luxury electric vehicle can be. That wraps up our look at the 2026 Lanzador here on Next Gen Drive. Thanks for tuning in. Drop a comment and tell us, would you climb aboard this elevated Lambo? And make sure to subscribe for the next generation of automotive excitement.